How to add music to your video in Canva. So let's get started. First, create a new design. Choose video. I'm going to use this template. I'm just gonna rid of this text here. And then we need some audio for this video. So I got this drone shot. That's perfect. And we need some music for it. So what you need to do, just go here. And if you can't find audio here, just click apps. Scroll down, and here we go, audio, click on it. Then we need some maybe ambient, nature, adventure music. You can see there are a lot of pro version music for Canva Pro, but what you want to do is click on this filter and click free. And here we go, we got free music here. You can also listen the music before you put it into the video. I already found some. We're gonna listen it. Yes, that's perfect for the video. And what you need to do is just click on it, hold, and just move it here. Okay, like this. Now I'm going to play the video. And this is perfect. That's beautiful. And this is how can you add music to your video in Canva. Guys, thank you for watching. If this video is helpful, please hit the like button. And if you want to support this channel, subscribe to the channel, and see you later. I like this music. Bye bye.